Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to make your profile public on Snapchat. So please watch the video till the very end. First of all, you open the Snapchat application and get logged in into your account. Once you are logged in, you need to tap on your profile icon on the top left. Now once you're at the profile section, you need to scroll down, and inside Spotlight and Snap Map at the right side you can see the options. You tap on options. There you will have the create public profile. You tap upon that. Now you click on continue. Build your public profile. Click on get started. Tap on create, and there you can see your public profile has been created. Now if you tap on that, you will have your public profile displayed and you can make all the edits in here by yourself. This is how you can make your profile public on Snapchat. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and thank you for watching till the very end.